She was a little girl with a big dream. She watched the swans dance and could scarcely believe her eyes. From that day on, she knew, I want to stand up there. I want to walk on quiet tiptoes through this world of light and dreams. Long years followed, from early morning till late, the same turn 1,000 times, until everything in her ached and burned. The mirror was her strictest friend. It showed every misstep, feet sore, back bent. Yet she danced, always motivated. Then came the day the stage called, the bright lights for the first time. Her heart beat like a drum beat, a leap, a breath, a pose, seconds, perhaps two. But behind those moments lay 1,000 hours. She traveled halfway around the world to every audition. They gave her a number. She stood there amongst 100 other dancers. She gave it her all, did her best, every pose, every jump. Then they called out the numbers. She wasn't among them. She hadn't made it. Was I not good enough? Am I too big? Was my attitude wrong? She asked, but there was only silence, not a word, no reason, no right. She swallowed her tears and said quietly, next time, then she boarded the train home with a blank stare and a lot of doubt. No one sees the tears hidden behind tulle and makeup. No one sees the bruises concealed beneath the silk. She floats as if she were as light as a feather, carried by the wind through the light. Yet no one feels the pain, and no one hears her quiet lament. Then came the night, one false step, pain as hot as embers. The doctor who said it'll take months. She lay in bed and wondered, what's the point of courage? But as the injury healed, she got up and went back to the studio, back to the mirror, because dancing is like breathing to her, a dream that never faded. Then in the evening, the curtain, the audience, the auditorium, a round of applause, perhaps a standing ovation. For a moment she forgot all her torment. The curtain fell, she walked home in silence, to a room cramped and small, which she shared with a friend, because her fee wasn't enough. The newspaper wrote a review that morning like cold rain. The writer was there for just a short time and tore her dream down to the bone. But what does the writer know of the nights when she wept alone, of the sacrifices, the pain, and the price that nobody knows? And from 9 in the morning till 5 in the evening, it starts all over again. The same steps, the same pain, and yet she remains true to her dreams. The years went by, she gave and gave so much. The leading role, the solo part, always remained a distant goal. They pushed her to the back, gave her roles small and quiet, In the shadow of those they celebrate, yet she danced because she wants to dance.
For no one sees the tears,
And no one counts the cost.
no one sees
The 1,000 hours
in the endless cycle of defeat.
she floats as if she were as light as a feather, an angel without wings. And when the curtain falls softly, she carries the world on her back over every hill. She still dances,
Not for the glory,
not for the gold.
she dances.
Because her soul takes flight when she dances. For every ballerina in this world, take a bow, they deserves it.